Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal account verified. To begin, first log into your existing PayPal account using your secure credentials. Once logged in, simply navigate to your summary or wallet page. This is where you will manage your financial instruments. Here, look for the clear option to link a new bank account, which is a crucial step for full verification. This initial action sets the stage for increased account capabilities and security. Next, you will need to provide your bank account details carefully. Input your bank's routing number, followed by your precise account number, ensuring all digits are correct. PayPal will then send two very small, random deposits, typically less than $1 each, to this bank account within 2 to 3 business days. These microdeposits are a vital security measure to confirm you are the legitimate owner of the bank account. After a few business days, check your online bank statement or physical statement for the two distinct, small deposits from PayPal. Note down the exact amounts, for example, $0.15 and $0.03. Return to your PayPal account, go back to the wallet section, and find the bank account you added. You will then be prompted to enter those two specific amounts precisely as they appeared in your bank statement to complete the verification process. Congratulations! Once those micro-deposits are successfully confirmed, your PayPal account is officially verified. This means you now have higher sending and withdrawal limits, allowing you to manage larger financial transactions with ease. A verified status also builds greater trust with other users, making your experience smoother and more secure. You are now fully equipped to utilize all the robust features PayPal offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.